In this video, I'm going to show you the best VPN to use CapCut in India. If you want to follow along and get started, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. This VPN will help you access CapCut without restrictions, unlock region-specific features, and keep your connection fast and secure. First, download and install NordVPN on your device. It works on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, so no matter what device you're using for CapCut, you're covered. Once installed, open the app and log in with your account details. The interface is super simple and smooth. At the bottom, you'll see the Quick Connect button, which automatically connects you to the fastest server near your location. This is perfect if you just want instant protection and the best speed for editing and uploading videos. If you want more control, you can also manually choose a country or server. NordVPN has thousands of servers in over 129 plus countries, so you can pick one in a region where CapCut works best or where certain effects are unlocked. For example, connecting to a server in the United States or Europe may let you access features that aren't available in India yet. Simply tap on the server or country, and NordVPN will handle the connection instantly. While connected, all your internet traffic through CapCut is encrypted, which keeps your IP address hidden and protects your data. This is especially useful if you're on public Wi-Fi or editing from different locations. NordVPN also has a kill switch feature, which ensures that if the VPN ever drops, your internet is completely blocked to prevent your real IP from being exposed. Another great feature is split tunneling, which allows you to use CapCut through the VPN while other apps remain on your normal internet connection, so you don't lose speed on anything else. Using NordVPN with CapCut in India gives you more than just access. You'll experience smoother uploads, faster downloads of effects and templates, and no interruptions due to regional restrictions. It's reliable for both short-form and long-form editing, whether you're making TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. So, if you want a VPN that's fast, secure, and works perfectly with CapCut in India, NordVPN is by far the best option. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try NordVPN and get started.